Get ready with me, my lovely Joseph, for the Jory Vera Fragrance Masterclass at Grand Hyatt today. And I'm done with my makeup. I use the Dior eye palette. This is the holiday collection. And for the blush, I use this one. This is part of the Jory Vera collection. This is the Pink Nude Glow. And I don't want to use this because the design will be ruined, but I need to. Yeah, I'm wearing the number 100 sequin lipstick. As you can see the glitters. Yeah, and Miss Irma done my hairstyle here, and this pin I asked Miss Irma to put these cutie pins from Jory Beauty. This were gifted by Jory Beauty Greenbelt. So Jory Beauty gifted me the stickers. Actually, nail spa kit. Yeah, and Dashing Diva did this yesterday. And I also put stickers on my toes. Yeah, I'm wearing Zara pink with white embroidery here. Actually, this is a cards. Yeah, and I'm wearing my Summery Vibe Valentino Rockstar wedge style. Yeah, and for the bag, my Matthew & Melka. Matthew & Melka is one of the luxury local brands here in the Philippines. Yes. And I decided to place this limited Le Bon. This is a pink Twatty J. And as you can see with the CD. Yeah, nice, diba? Yeah. So, this is my look. Yeah. So, let's go now to the event.
Jack, batch 1 pa lang naman, so I can do the next.